Making customers happy is a serious priority for us, so when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that. And here's what one customer wrote about their experience with our staff. We believe that reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. All of our customers were new at one time, so we're always excited to speak with any of them, whether they are new or returning. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.